English as a New Language program overview at Purchase Elementary School, parent orientation. Welcome, families. My name is Eileen Quinn. I am the English as a New Language teacher. Here's my contact information. quinne@harrisoncsd.org. When a new student enters the school and the families complete a home language questionnaire, the English as a New Language teacher conducts an interview, and when appropriate, the teacher uses an English language exam to determine their level. These are the different levels: entering, emerging, transitioning, expanding. Let's take a look at the blue boxes at the bottom of the screen. Social language takes about 1 to 3 years to develop, but academic language takes 5 to 7 years to develop. At Purchase Elementary School, there's 2 types of programs. For service delivery, there's integrated and standalone. In integrated, the classroom teacher and myself plan together, and then I help the children in the classroom. In the standalone program, the classroom teacher and myself plan together, but I take the students in a small group into my English as a New Language classroom. Now, all English language learners will receive service. The students who are entering and emerging will come to school 4 days a week and receive service online on Mondays. The transitioning and expanding students will follow the Husky or Pride on a 2-day per week schedule. The Pride students are Tuesdays and Thursdays, and the Husky students are Wednesdays and Fridays. All students learn from home on Mondays. This is the annual exam that students need to take at the end of the year. This exam measures a student's proficiency in English and shows how much English the student has gained over the year. You can exit the program in 2 different ways. Any student from K through 12 that scores commanding on the exam can exit the program. Or if you're in 3rd grade or 8th grade, you can score advanced or expanding on the exam and 3 or above on the New York State English Language Arts State Assessment. We have one ENL teacher at Purchase. That's me, Eileen Quinn, and there's my contact information. My boss, the director of Harrison Central School District Department of English as a New Language, is Mrs. Marina Moran, and she can be reached at 914-630-3384 or moranm@harrisoncsd.org. All the information is there. So thank you very much, and reach out with any questions. Have a lovely evening. Bye.